For this problem, we see a root symbol, and usually it's a good idea to change that to a fractional exponent. We are starting to learn that by now. And notice it's also a quotient. It is a quotient, so you might be tempted to use quotient rule, but I don't think that's the easiest way to do this. I think it'd be better to approach it like this. So first of all, let's just replace the root sign, like we said, with a fractional exponent. Fourth root is the same as the power of 1 over 4. And what I would like to do is to make this go up to the top. And then we would have an exponent of negative 1 over 4. And over here, now we don't even need the quotient rule. We can go directly to it with the chain rule. So let's try that. dy dx is going to be what? Well, the 12 is just a constant. It gets pulled out front. This is like something to the power of negative 1 over 4. So by the power rule, in combination with the chain rule, it says we bring this to the front. We ignore that stuff in the brackets. We have negative 1 over 4 minus 1, which is negative 5 over 4. And then we multiply by the derivative of whatever was in the brackets. Let's fill that in. Now, we're really done. We just need to do this derivative, which is going to be really easy. Why don't we notice that 12 times negative 1 over 4, what is that equal to? Well, we could, think of this as putting this over 1, right? 12 times negative 1 is negative 12. 1 times 4 is 4. So this is really negative 12 over 4. In other words, negative 12 divided by 4, which is negative 3. And there's no derivative signs here, so we just recopy it. And the derivative of this is easy. It's 3x squared minus 2x. And there we go. I guess we should probably bring this to the bottom level. And when we do that, it'll become a positive exponent. And, well, I guess we could factor an x out. The answer is okay right now. It's always nice to factor as much as possible, though. So we get 3x minus 2. And we could factor out an x squared here, but I don't think it would really give us too much advantage to do that. So we'll just leave that. The main thing here is just to practice the chain rule anyway. And even though this is fine, I just want to make sure you know this little trick. I could absorb this negative sign into here, and that would flip the order of those terms, right? So I could write this 2 minus 3x. There's no real reason why I have to, but sometimes that's a useful little trick to know. So I don't know, all of these answers are fine. Even this one. And this one. A lot of teachers, they want to get rid of negative exponents. For me, I don't mind them. But sometimes when you want to find the places where the function is undefined, though, it is nice to get rid of the negative exponents, because then you see the quantity that's in the denominator. And we know that when the denominator is 0, then the function's undefined. All right, good. So I hope that one was okay.